Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Rishav and in this video I will teach you how you can make a program with if else statement. Here we give a name to our file. Here we write if new1.c. Then write our comment. Here we write C program to learn if statement. Now we press enter and here we declare our header files. So we write include studio.h and also include conio.h. Now we press enter and here we write main function. Now I give curly braces and here we write get ch to hold our screen. Now I write clr to clear our screen. Now I declare int data type variables. Here I give a variable name number. Now I write if condition. Here I give if and in bracket I give number greater than 18. Here now I write printf statement and here I give you are eligible for voting. Okay, now I remove the extra spaces and first check our program by Control F9 and check there are any errors or not. Here you see the blank screen is come. Now we take input. First of all we write printf statement and in printf we write enter your age. Here on output screen enter your age will be printed. Now I write a scanf statement and here I use %d access specifier because I take an int data type. Now I write ampersand and number to take input in number variable. Now again I press Ctrl F9. First of all you see here int data type, so I use %d clr to clear our screen, printf statement to print this string, number variable, then I check number greater than 18. If it is true, this printf statement will run. Now I press Ctrl F9 and give here age 35. Here you see you are eligible for voting. Now I give age 4. Here it does not print anything. So this is a fault, so we correct it by giving here a condition. Here we write else printf. If the upper statement is false, then this printf statement will run. And here we write you are not eligible for voting. First of all our command check the number is greater than 18. If it is true, the first line will run, and if not, the second will run. Here you see if we give 4, here you see if we give 89, the first will run. So now we save this file by going to file, save. Hope you like this video and learn something new. Click on watch more to watch more videos and subscribe my channel to stay connected with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet me in next video.